Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to block all incoming calls on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on focus. Then tap on do not disturb. In do not disturb, you will get to see an option people. Please click on people. Then you will get to see various options. Then go and click on allow calls from. If there is no an option, then press on it. If not, then continue with the process. Then press on silence notifications from. And here you can see there is no options of allow calls from. Now exit the settings app and your iPhone will block all the incoming calls. And there you have it. You have successfully blocked all incoming calls on your iPhone with the new update. Enjoy uninterrupted peace and focus whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.